This is how our cousin said they eat it in Norway.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. Right now, I'm here with Gregos. We just got out of the grocery store to try to find all the most crazy food. And we are gonna be trying the
Prima Lavpris sardine.
Wait a minute, what does that even mean? We're in Norway, so it's like a little bit lost in translation here.
So I think this surslid means herring. Let's check out Lavpris. Lavpris means, low price. So we got the premium low price herring today.
I think it's gonna be good though. This was about $3.80 in Norway. I always heard like Norway was super expensive. And,
but the low price herring is cheap.
Yeah. And let's open this baby up. Oh, we got a special European lock on here. You gotta rip this off first. Wanna do the honors?
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Oh wow, they give you like, hey, I gotta take a sniff of this. Oh wow, that's very pickly. Check that out. That is looking really nice.
Oh, you gonna take a sip of that, Robert?
Yeah, I got a straw.
I think in Norway, they drink it.
In Norway, they use straws.
Our cousin said they like to drink the herring juice in Norway.
My cousin gave me these straws to eat the herring with.
He drinks it for breakfast.
Oh, and here in Norway, they use paper straws. They don't use the wasteful, sinful plastic straws. So that's really good. So yeah, take that. I'll take this.
It looks like we got a cover here.
Yeah, there's a weird little cover. It's got all the onions, so maybe it can fish out some of the onions.
Nice.
I'm not sure. Wait, don't throw that away.
Oh,
I want to eat it. I want to eat it later.
Yeah. This is how they eat it.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna take a sip of the juice first. That's what we do.
Oh, you go for it. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I'll
let you test that one out.
All right. Ooh, that is good pickled herring juice.
This is how they do it in Norway.
They just poke the straw through.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's like a toothpick.
There we
so
go.
That's looking really good, looking fine.
Yummy. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, wow.
It's actually pretty good.
That's really good.
Yeah. I brought chocolate backup just in case, but I don't think I need it.
It tastes really nice. It's like that pickle that you crave every day if you're pregnant, but I've never been pregnant. It's kind of like the pickled herring that you'd find in America as well. I would rate this pickled herring for the price a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, for the price, definitely.
But, you know, if I paid like 20 bucks for this pickled herring, maybe I would give it like a 6 out of 10. In America, you'd probably pay 20 bucks for this one. I didn't expect I was gonna like $3 herring in Norway.
Maybe not. I could eat this for dinner.
Hey, it is our dinner.
It is? There you go.
I'm gonna try some more of this juice.
Drink up, Robert. Drink.
All right.
Drink. You want to drink from the container?
Let's
Come
just
on,
drink
Robert.
from the container. They told me it's rude to drink straight from the container in Norway, but we're gonna do it anyways.
Do it like a Norwegian man.
You know, they said it's more elegant to use the straw. But here in Norway, do it like a real Viking. They said they wanted to get away from their Viking roots, so that's why they use straws. Now, I'm gonna drink straight from the container.
More, come on. Drink.
Here we go.
Pickled herring,
This is
pickled herring, pickled herring, pickled herring. Ooh.
That's refreshing. It's kind of like a sodium bomb, but when it's the spring solstice or the summer solstice or whatever it's called, you let it slide. And right now, it's like 8 or 9 p.m. in Norway. So like, the sun's up, it's a good day.
Sardines packed in tomato sauce.
Are you excited for sardines? When you were a kid, did you sneak in the pantry and steal all the sardines from your mom's pantry?
Never. Did you?
Yes. I like the mustard flavor of sardines. What flavor is this?
I like this tomato.
Oh, tomato. Tomato sardines in Norway.
All right, I like one, you eat the rest.
Before they found oil, they struck it rich. They were packing a lot of sardines for all over the world. They were like the
70% of all the fish packaged in Norway, cans in Norway, came from Stavanger.
And that's their claim to fame.
And they called it the Sardine City, maybe.
Now it's the oil city, where they found like a quadrillion barrels of oil. Gotta get back to the heritage roots. Gonna use some of this. Oh, look at that. Looks like something very gross. If you find yourself in the beautiful city of Stavanger or Bergen, or about 85 other different travel destinations, I highly recommend you check out this app called Walk and Tours. It basically is just a tour guide inside your phone. It's very affordable. You can get actually a yearly subscription to it. And if you're a travel rebel like me, and you kind of like to get off the beaten path and not just follow some tour guide around and big group tours, this is definitely for you. So check it out. There's gonna be a link down below that even gives you a discount. And yeah, on to the rest of the video.
Oh, it's actually better than it looks.
Oh yeah,
Oh, it's actually pretty good. I actually like that.
I love this. So yeah, sardines, they're rich in like omega-6 fatty acids or whatever fatty acids that you need every day.
Yeah. Norwegian chips.
Oh yeah.
All right, there we go.
Wow.
All right, that was pretty good. That was better than I expected.
Wow, they're
It's
a
amazing.
little bit like kind of dry like tuna. But the cool thing is you can eat the whole sardine. The
do.
bones, literally just like you chop them down. There's a little bit of crunch, but not very much. And don't get the red sauce if you're worried about like impressing any girls because they're gonna see that you have red sauce all over your face.
Yeah, girls don't like that.
It's not a good look. So yeah, I need to find a piece of napkin.
Got sardines in olive oil, and we got cheese.
Now we are on the sardines packaged in the olive oil. So yeah, a little bit more healthy variety.
Where'd my straw go?
I think your straw's seen better days. You keep on putting it on the ground. Okay, all right. This actually looks like really nice olive oil that is packed in. Oh, wow, they're big. Oh my gosh.
Come back.
Wow.
This actually tastes way better than sardines in a can in America.
Oh yeah.
Like way better. No comparison.
Norwegians gotta have good standards. They were the mecca for like packing sardines in the can. So I mean, they're not gonna be like, oh yeah, give us some crap sardines. But yeah, here in Stavanger, they changed their specialty from sardines to big oil, but they don't wanna have big oil forever. They wanna be self-sufficient by year 2035 or 2045 or whatever.
Yeah.
They're really good. These are better
Delicious.
than the tomato. Which one do you think is better?
Oh, the tomato is good. That one's pretty good though.
What do you rate the herring, the pickled herring? What is like your rating? 1 out of 10.
Based on the price, the taste, the environment. Yeah, I guess I go 9 out of 10.
I guess the environment's a 10. Pickled herring is like a 7, but like the price is like a 10. So it comes out to like 9-ish. Yeah, that's right. And then the tomato, like the tomato sardines. What do you think?
I mean, it's good, but 7 something.
Yeah, I mean,
for
a
a
7
can,
for sure.
Something. Yeah, it's pretty good.
I would say, yeah, canned tomatoes, 7. That's a good one. I agree with you. I mean, overall, I don't like the tomatoes as much, but the olive oil, this is a 9 out of 10 for sure.
Whoa. Okay.
Is it too much?
Yeah, that's nice. 9 out of 10.
You do 9? What do you?
I'm gonna go for like 7.
Okay, 7 also. So about the same
Yeah.
as the.
I mean, it's good.
tomato.
It's good, but it's a can of sardines.
But I want to drink the olive oil. Really good. That olive oil is real olive oil, I can tell. I think it's from the Mediterranean, probably from Spain or Greece. Wow. Really, really nice.
You want to wash it down with some herring juice.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Get a
You
good
read my
swing of
mind.
that. Get a good swing of that. It's refreshing.
Some herring
in
juice.
the hot Stavanger sun. Ooh.
If you're low on sodium, pickled herring, it's always there. I'm pitching them an advertising campaign. Now next we got the cheese, Norwegian cheese.
There we go. Want a piece of bread?
Should we do bread or chips? This looks like a chips kind of cheese.
Oh, you think so? Okay.
I mean, maybe.
All right, chips it is.
I never tried this cheese before. It's a sheep cheese. It's not sheep, it's a sheep cheese, goat cheese, made in Norway. Okay guys, digging into the mystery potato chip bag.
Yeah, the snowfrisk.
Okay, so I'm gonna try it with the chip, I guess, here first. Whoa. It's like the texture of like cream cheese almost, like almost cream cheese meets yogurt. It
Yeah.
looks more moist.
Normal.
Oh wow,
That's pretty good.
this is a 10 out of 10 cheese. This is like the same as the French cheese that is the goat cheese, but like it's Norwegian. And even better sheep come from up in the mountains here in Norway. Well, you're hogging all of it. Oh man, I gotta stop talking and start eating. Actually, this is my favorite cheese, to be honest. Like, it's really, really good. So this is how I roll. When I was a kid, I used to get the French goat cheese from Trader Joe's, and I used to get like a handful of chips, and I just dunk them in the cheese like that. That's the only way to eat this. Is this your first time having this flavor of cheese? No, it's not. You know this flavor. It's good. It's really good.
Sour cream and onion.
It's like sour cream and onion to you.
Yeah.
but it's like just French goat cheese. It's so good, so pure, so nice. Really creamy, very moist, but it also tastes like goat cheese. It's great.
It's goat cheese. It tastes like goat cheese.
10 out of 10. I think I know what you're gonna rate it.
Yeah, I go 10.
I believe this is a cow cheese, which is like good too. Cows are treated with respect here. We went to a farm.
Each cow has its own house.
Its house is like a couple feet by a couple feet, but they have the pastures.
And
they
its
can
own
roam
pasture.
around. Yeah, a big pasture area.
This is the happiest cows you've ever seen in your life.
And they love getting milked. They stand in line to get milked.
They
and
do.
sometimes I see some of the cows getting a little bit, you know, antsy, and they cut in the line and they're like, "Get out of my way, you brown cow." Boom. And they push them out of the way.
But they're all black and white.
Basically, just like they cut in the line, and it's no big deal. The other cow just kind of comes in and he's like, "Oh man, I got robbed," but they just come in next and they wait in line to get milked, and then they actually have their own line system. It's all done by machine. There's no one like herding them or telling them where to go. But anyways, we went to a cow farm. That's the story. Yeah, so this is the pepper cheese. This looks a lot better than pepper jack. Look at that. Looking good in the neighborhood. Smells very nice.
Let's do it.
Ooh. Dip the chips into here.
Dip the chips in the pepper cheese.
Oh, this cheese is not very good. Already, I give it a 4 out of 10 because it's not very friendly to the chips. Maybe this is a bread cheese, but we'll see.
Maybe.
Okay, you gotta get a thin layer. Otherwise the chips will break and it will be very sad, a sad day once the chips break. Okay, here, try this one. Oh, you tried it already. What do you think of it?
I like it.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Very different than the last cheese.
It's very peppery. Thick.
It's almost like vanilla ice cream meets like pepper, not sweet. Like unsweetened vanilla ice cream. It's nice, it's good, but you know, maybe it's better with bread. Though I honestly love the pepper. I think that it's a good cheese. I mean, this is a 10 out of 10 in America, but for Norway standards, since I'm like 1/4 Norwegian, you're 1/4 Norwegian.
That's right.
We both think that maybe they could.
They can do better. Yeah.
Like the sheep cheese. Do better, you guys.
Do better.
Oh well.
But for processed America, pretty good. The home of the brave and the land of the ultra processed.
Well, you're using the straw very creatively like a Norwegian would do.
That's right.
Here in Norway, they use
right.
straws for everything. They use hay straw to feed their cows. They also use straw to spread the cheese and to pick up herring and eat yogurt
Yeah.
and spread jam on your bread.
I think this guy's coming in hot. He's gonna park his boat here.
Oh wow.
All right, it's been good.
Oh wow. With bread, it's even better.
Yeah.
Don't tell my doctor I'm grabbing hunks of cheese. He said my cholesterol is too high.
Oh, really?
But just don't tell him, it'll be
Now
okay.
you're drinking all beer and eating some cheese.
But as long as we don't tell him, we'll be okay.
Yeah.
I just I only had one egg a week.
We just ignore things, they will go away. Yep.
This cheese is good. It's better with bread. I give it an 8 out of 10. Half salt, and it almost sounds like half salt, like reducing our sodium levels.
Yeah, half salt. That's what I'm going with.
But actually, it means sea salt. But yeah, let's give them a try by themselves. Only the chips review. When I make a chips review, I go with like not just one chip. I have to take a whole handful.
Yeah.
What about you? Do you do one chip challenge?
I do a whole handful too.
Okay.
Because we're Americans, and that's what we do.
Let's
We
do
don't
it.
eat one chip, we eat a whole handful.
Wow.
That's pretty good.
Okay. They're very, very crispy.
Very
They
crispy.
are like way more crispy than like Lay's
Yeah.
or you know, any of those other big name brands. What do you think? Like
Yeah.
salty, savory? Oh, you can answer it though.
It's not my phone.
Oh, it's not.
Oh, it is my phone.
But like, what do you think? Like, they've got this nice special oily flavor. I don't know what it is.
Oily, savory.
Almost like a bacony flavor, like it's bacony or
yeah,
donutty or something like that. Like,
Maybe the ingredients will say.
Yeah.
Potter, med, scallots, pa.
Oh, I understand everything.
Yeah, of course. So that's potatoes fried in bacon fat.
It's definitely not. It totally
Sea
tastes
salt.
like it's like kind of like fatty from like animal fat, but I don't know. Like the flavor is absolutely amazing. I rate these a 10 out of 10. I'm not just saying that because I'm in Norway. Just the overall crispiness, the crunchiness.
Yeah, Whole Foods, we should import this.
They told us we have to try this. Like they said that this is the most Norwegian chip. Oh yeah.
This is the pure.
Is that the best?
Salt,
Like, which one's the
salt.
best one?
That's the best one. Traditional pure chips.
Okay.
That's the one you want. Yeah.
They also have got like a paprika chip, but like
Yeah,
they said try the original.
yeah. And this is our
Don't
second
try the
bag.
cheese. Don't try the pepper. Don't try the paprika. Just try the original. And I would have to say, yeah, for an original
Delicious.
flavor, this is 10 out of 10. On the next episode, we're going to be trying the most bizarre food we can find in the grocery store in Norway.
A little different than you might find at home. Got some whale, got some reindeer.
Got some moose, got some normal deer.
Got some elk.
Yeah. So elk, I believe, is moose actually.